In this video, I'm going to be doing one of my clients' eyebrows. So I'm going to show you guys how I do eyebrows on my clients with my razor and my trimmers. So I always start off with my trimmers just to get the hair down and to prep for my straight razor. So then I go in, brush the hairs down, make sure everything's nice and neat, and then go in with the straight razor, line everything up. You always, when doing eyebrows like this, you always want to pull the skin up and do your razor work going down. So you shush the skin so you don't leave any cuts and everything's smooth, feels good for the client, especially on that underbrow. After I'm done with all the razor work, I go back in, brushing the hair down, getting all those long hairs and chopping them down. So this is the final product. I hope you guys enjoyed the video or learned something. Catch you guys on the next one.